Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be recycling, reusing, upcycling, whatever you want to call it, some of our old ornaments. So get out the old glass ornaments or plastic ornaments, and we're just going to give them a new look. Now what I have here is a plastic ornament. I'm going to be using some Epsom salts, some good old white school glue, Elmer's glue, whatever you have. You'll need a paintbrush, and we're just going to give them that cute little frosted look or icy look. Now I chose to just do it on top of the ornament, but by all means you could also do the entire ornament if that's what you wanted to do. This would be fun to do with the two because really Elmer's glue or school glue is something they're probably used to using. Now you're going to need something like I have made there with a pipe cleaner to make a little nest so it has something to sit on while it's drying. You could also use an egg carton or something like that if you were making a lot of ornaments. So what we're going to do is we're going to be very generous with the glue. I like to start up by the hanger and just go in the little circle and just pack the glue on. You want to be generous so that it will hold as much of the Epsom salts as we can get it to hold. And this is where just be creative. Put as much on there as you want. You know, I did some little drapes, but by all means you could just, you know, have a straight line going around it. Again, do the whole ornament. You could do stripes, whatever you want to do. This is just to give them a fresh look. And you could also even use glitter, you know, that type of a medium if you wanted. I just wanted to go with something a little different and thought I would try the Epsom salts. Now be aware, once this does dry, some of the Epsom salts are going to want to fall off. So what I did was I hit it with a spray of a sealer, just like you would use on something you had painted. That gave it a little more tack and held it down against the ornament. So you might want to do that, or even just use decoupage medium over the top of it. That would also help it. So what I'm doing is just sprinkling the Epsom salts on there. If you were doing a lot of these, you might want to pour the Epsom salt out into the bowl and just dip the ornament down in there. Kind of roll it into the salt. But I wanted it to be a little more controlled since I'm just doing this one, so I'm just sprinkling it on. But as you can see, once it's on there, you are going to need something to keep that ball from rolling around. And that's where the little nest I made is going to hold it for me. So now we've got that looking pretty cute. Now what we're going to do is show you a couple of other things that I tried putting the ice or frost on. I started with some regular berries and frosted those. I thought they turned out cute. This is actually a pick that I bought, and I needed 4 but could only find 3. So I took a piece of pine and tried to mimic that icy look there. I painted on some glue and then put the Epsom salts on, and I thought they matched pretty well. So it worked for me, but that's just to show you that, you know, you're not limited to just the ornaments. So I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I will see you next week.